Welcome to my channel. If you are not new, welcome back. I am Ashley Michelle and I'm back again with another video. So as you can tell by the title, I am doing a hair review for the hair that I have on my head right now. And since I have to start getting ready for class, I thought that I would just, fix my hair, talk about the hair, and yeah. So I'm gonna start off with the hair specs and all of that. So this hair is from a company called ISEE Hair. Don't want my nails in it, but this is one of the tags that came on the bundle. The hair is really nice. This is my initial review, so that means I haven't had the hair for that long, but I had it since March 2nd. That's when the hair got shipped out to me, and I made it into a unit on, I think 3 days after I got the hair. I made it into a unit. Yeah, 3 days. Yeah. Oh no. I made it into a unit on the 6th. But back to the specs. So this is 3 bundles in a closure made into a unit. By yours truly. This is 22, 24, 26 with a 20-inch closure. At the end of the video, I'm gonna stand up and show you all of that and stuff, but I don't feel like it right now because I have dust on my shirt because I did my makeup. So, but this hair came in the texture loose wave, and it's Peruvian. So usually I get Brazilian body wave, but they didn't have none of that. So I just got the Peruvian loose wave. I had never had loose wave here before. I mean, the curl was cute when it came, but I mean, like the factory curl, they really, usually don't hold. So I wasn't expecting it to hold. So before I made the hair into a unit, I washed it and I did the watercolor method to dye the hair jet black. What else? I bleached the knots on the closure. I didn't do too much plucking because I don't know. I just wanted like a real thick, full, flat unit, and that's what I got. The hair is really full. Like, you see, like it's just really full. I don't know if this is doing anything, but it's full and it's really soft. Like, even before I washed it, it was this soft, and I just washed it with some Aussie Moist conditioner and shampoo, just regular stuff. So yes, this is the hair. I didn't do anything to it. I didn't cut the hair. All I did was sew it on the I sewed it on the cap. I didn't cut my tracks. What is that called? The flip method. I did that. And so far I have not experienced any tangling, any napping. Like, you know how when hair starts to bunch up and get real nappy, like right here? It hasn't been doing that. I really don't get any tangling or anything like that. It's really soft. It's really easy to run my hands through it, even when I haven't just brushed it. What else? The bundles, they were really full. And now at first, I don't know, when I had first made the wig, because you know how you make a unit or you have like a sewing or something like that, and you want the ends to gradually get, thinner. So, well, I don't know if everybody likes that, but I like that. So the bundles came like that already. Let me show you. I'm just going to show you the ends. These are the ends of like half the hair. These are the, oh my goodness, she said movement. It's so cute. But these are the ends. These are how the ends came. And I don't know, some people may not like that. I do, so I really don't mind. But some people might not like that. So that would be, I guess, one thing to look out for. With the closure is a regular 4x4 closure. I just did one straight middle part down the middle. So I think that's all really about this hair. Like I said, it's an initial review, so I really don't have, too much to say. But one thing I can say is the hair ships really fast. It didn't have a crazy smell. Like, it smelled like regular hair. And it's just, I don't know, it's really soft and I really like it. And even though it doesn't hold, like when you wet it or really like, you know, brush it out, well, I mean, you can run your fingers through it like the factory curl and it'll still bounce back. But once you like wet it and stuff like that, it still has a wave. It's not like you wet it and then it's like bone straight. You wet it and it still has a wave. It's just not that tight romance curl. So, but it's really pretty and it moves a lot. So just gonna flat iron this you know, and yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the hair, split it in two, and I'm just gonna take this side, wrap it up, or twist it up, bun it up, whatever, just to make sure that it's out of the way. I'm a real street nigga. Gotta keep it right with my people. Turn the whole squad to bosses. I can't be kicking shit like I'm a D. I really like this hair quality. Like, well, I really like this business's quality because this is not the only hair that I got from them. I got these bundles from them and then I made it into a unit, but I also got a pre-made like bob unit from them. And that hair, I'm gonna do a video on it too. I don't think I'm gonna do a review because that's like, you know, it's just regular Brazilian straight hair and it's like the same quality. You know, I'm just gonna take this. I'm gonna take this Garnier Sleek and Shine. This is anti-frizz and all of that, and even though this hair don't frizz up really bad, I really like this oil. It's lightweight and a lot comes out in one pump, so you know, be careful. But I just take a little bit because I really don't need that much, and I really focus it like on the ends. I like up here, see it's kind of stringy. I had put some on it earlier, so I'm not even gonna, I put too much on it earlier, so I'm really not even gonna focus it there. But I'm just gonna put some on the ends and brush it through. And you know, I like the, like, it gives the hair a nice shine. So I'm not, since the hair is not like, you know, it's not like I just washed this hair and it's like, you know, not straight at all. I'm just gonna do like big sections, real quick sections, just going right through because I slept on it last night. So, you know, she need a little refresher, but she don't need no silk press. I can't be kicking shit like I'm a D. Rap shit, I ain't gotta cap shit. I've been getting keys like I'm LB. I'm in the two-seater with two bad bitches. Black and white, I'm finna have a sleep. She wanna ride in the back, cause I've been having them wreck. I ain't showing. She say I ain't got them wreck. Thought you know me better than that, but they ain't knowing. Oh, I forgot to mention price and all of that. Okay, so I got this hair from Amazon. So I got this hair for, what was it? $183, I think. $183, I think, for, you know, the, like, for the whole bundle deal. And honestly, that is not bad at all. And then it's not like the quality of the hair is like cheap, so I was fine with it. Well, you know, once I got it, I was like, $183 for this? Oh, you're bugging. Like, that's like still, that's still. So yeah, I got it for $183, you know, plus taxes and stuff. And like I already had said, this is 22, 24, and 26 with 20-inch closure. And usually with longer lengths, you know, the price is the price goes up for longer lengths. And the thickness of your like bundles are, you know, less. But I was not mad at how, you know, much like hair was on these bundles. Like, I really feel like this hair is really like full. It's really nice and full, and it moves really beautifully. Like, it's just, I think this hair is perfect. And I'm not, I mean, you know, I ain't even no big channel, so I'm not, it's not like I'm sponsored. I paid my own coin for this, so I really like the hair. Because if it was bad, I would have came on here like, dumb mother, that hair ain't. So, no, I wouldn't have knocked nobody's hustle, but I wouldn't have been raving about it like this. Okay. And I used mainly all of my bundles. I still had like a long piece of the 22 left. Because by the time that I was done this week, I was like, I just can't fit no more on this cap. But She is full. Baby is really full. I hate those. I get those lines. She's really full. She moves, and you know, I love her. So now I'm just gonna do the other side. Really nice. And I've been wanting to do some crimps on this hair. I bought a crimper. It's downstairs. I'm not about to go get it because I'm not crimping my hair right now. But I've been wanting to do some crimps on this hair, but I'm tired and lazy. But I really do. I want to do some crimps on this hair. And I think that I'm going to record when I finally do the crimps. Because, I mean, obviously the hair take heat really well. I just straightened it. I'm pretty sure it will hold the crimp because the texture is a wave. So I'm pretty sure it'll hold the crimp. Only reason why I've been putting it off is because I know it's gonna take a lot of time. And your girl is lazy. Too lazy to do it, but I'm too cheap to pay somebody to do it. Okay. And the hair is really easy to manage. You don't have to brush it every 5 seconds. And that's another thing that I like, because I don't know about like everybody, but I hate brushing my hair. Like if I'm not in the bathroom, I hate brushing my hair. I'm not gonna brush my hair in the middle of class. I'm not gonna just whip out a brush in church and just start brushing my hair. Like I hate, not saying I hate when people do that, but I don't like to do it. So, and that's one, like a good thing about the hair, because you don't have to brush it every 5 seconds. Like it'll stay. And on the top, like near here, I put, I can't find a bottle, but I put some, Sebastian Plus. I'll put a picture in right now. I'll put in a picture right now, but it was like Sebastian, come in a white bottle, and got like Sebastian Plus, I think, on the side. I put that up here so that, you know, I don't have any flyaways, and then so everything's nice and tamed, because it's windy in Philly right now, so, you know, I don't want my little closure hairs to be flying all over the place. For anybody who cares, my flat iron is from Kohl's. It was $45, I think, and it is the, I want to say Ion, but that's not what it is. It's the Conair Infinity Pro, I think, in a 1/2 inch. If you watch if you watch Erica Jaden, you know what kind of flat iron it is. That's where I got it from. And if you watch Aaliyah Jaden, you know where this oil is from. I'm part of the Aaliyah army. Period. Now, one thing, all right, I'm gonna tell y'all one thing that's annoying about this hair. They come with, like, you know, closures and frontals, and companies, they like to make them come with the baby hairs and stuff. That's cool for people who want it. But these little short hairs on the sides, these are their baby hairs. And I don't want to pull it because that's going to be like pulling a lot of hair from the front, but they are so, they annoy me so bad because it's so difficult to keep them like in with the rest of the hair. Like I don't want them out. I just want like long, sleek, straight, just straight down. That's it, down. But you see, whenever they're out. When I run my hands over the hair, it gives me like satin, like, I don't know, like it make, like, I don't know, like a velvet satin mix or something. Like it just feels so smooth. Like all I want to do is this. I just want to do this all day, like just to feel it. Like it feels so good. It's amazing. I love it, man.
water, nigga, I go feed her. Then that bitch cabin if she think I need her. Hit her one time and then I gotta leave her. I'm a real street nigga, gotta keep it a rap with my people. Turn a whole squad to bosses. I can't be kicking shit like I'm Adidas.
Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope that you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.
I gotta put the new bells inside of the freezer. Back at the trap, I was ducking them people, ducking the